what do travel agents do? Anyone can book their own travel online, so it can't just be that. Or is it? Hi, I'm Danielle Hill with Hello Horizon Travel, and you're watching my Behind the Scenes series, where I answer questions and bust myths about travel agents as well as the travel industry. Let's get to today's topic. So today's question that we're answering is, do I need a travel agent? The simple answer is no, you do not need a travel agent. You can research destinations and vacations on your own online. You can read reviews, you can ask family and friends, you can price shop, you can book online, you can plan and coordinate and organize everything all on your own. If you just want to book travel fast and cheap, and you don't want any of the other bells and whistles, meaning you don't want personalized service, you don't want access to exclusive amenities, you don't want to save time, you don't want to get the best value for your dollar, if you don't want any of those things, you do not need a travel agent. I repeat, you do not need a travel agent. But before I finish that thought, if you're getting value out of this video, press the like button and also subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And wherever you hang out on social, check us out there. We're on Facebook, Instagram. We are even on LinkedIn. Links are in the description. But if you do want personalized service, someone that is going to learn what you're looking for in your vacation and match up the best accommodations and experiences for you, then a travel agent is right for you. If you want to ensure that you get the best value for each and every one of your hard-earned vacation dollars, a travel agent is the way to go. They'll make sure you not only get a great price, but also all the amenities that are possible for you. In addition to that, let's picture the unlikely and unfortunate scenario that something doesn't go according to plan. The level of service that you will receive with a travel agent will far exceed that of booking online on your own, especially if you book through a mass third-party online travel agent. Your travel agent is your advocate. They're your personal support. They're your travel person. And so, if you're traveling a lot or you have a big trip in mind, definitely consider using a travel agent because you will notice a difference with the experience. You can book travel on your own, but why would you? Alright folks, that wraps up another video. Thank you for sticking around all the way to the end. Since you're still here, I invite you to come to the comment section and let me know if there are any other videos that you would like to see. If you have any burning questions or myths that you want bust about travel agents or travel agencies or anything about traveling in general, be it for business or for vacation, just let me know. I'd be happy to dig into those topics and make a video about it for you. Also, if after watching this video you realize you do need a travel agent, then Hello Horizon would be honored to be your travel agent. Check out the link in the description for a free consultation. You can chat with me or one of our other team members to talk about what it is that you want to get out of your vacation, and we will ensure that your vacation plan matches your dreams and your expectations. That's it for today. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.